guys, and I'm gonna do a tribute to a friend who broke her shoulder. I don't have permission to say her name, but we're gonna jump from where she broke her shoulder. And last shot, I hesitated. This shot, I'm just gonna say revenue and jump, or I'm gonna try to.
Make them.
Short in a minute. Yeah, go that way. Huh? Go that way. Go down the slide.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. Go that way. You know what? I'm just gonna like keep doing jumps until I have the courage to do that. Alrighty, guys. You know what? I'm gonna like do jumps leading up to that one to build up the courage. Give me a sec. You know what? No. No. It's not how you treat your friend. No, I know it'll make you feel better. Trying to fly like I used to. Give me a sec, guys. You know what? Wait. Alrighty, you know what? Instead I'm gonna do it from a different place that it's the same height, just like I jumped from the exact same place, cause what if I break my shoulder too? But I have to do like YouTube videos in the hospital. Anyway, I'll be right up, guys.
Jimmy, get down. Get down, please. You're gonna hurt. Here. You get hurt. Where's Nate?
Right here. You gotta jump.
What? Nate, where are you? Come here, look at this picture.
What?
Come here, come down. You can't see from there. Look, can you see that?
Yes, I can.
Look at your belly showing. Cover your belly. Look, that's you 3 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, look how little you are.
Mommy.
You've grown so much.
See it.
It's Nate.
Look at Cheesy. I'm doing a YouTube video. You know what, guys?
Nate's getting big.
I'm freaking chicken, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna jump from the monkey bars. It's more or less the same. Plus, it'll be a tribute to the friend who broke her shoulder and everybody that broke their arms on the monkey bars at Elm and here too. But alrighty, bye guys. See you later.